Hello, so this is NFP day, so let's see which setups we can isolate. So gold is waiting for something, waiting for NFP. We have these sellers that have been holding price down till now, and now it's ping ponging between the indication and this level. So in order to go higher, we have to break above and then go. Or I am seeing this indication also with price coming all the way down here, and then yeah, this would be the low because it was low, high, low, high, a lower low, which was not much. I would say it was not strong because it's only wicked. So we're actually consolidating. We will see. We will see. But to me, to start seeing some bearishness has to really break this level there. So let's see. For now, nothing really. Nikkei, we don't have an indication. Well, we could have this one. This is a 4-hour, finally, the 4-hour high. But I'm also, yeah, as well. Not clear. This is nice because we had this candle reacting. So when we go on the 1 hour, we see that there was a break of structure already here. And we need to see if this keeps going. So we keep it, it's nice because we are under the sellers. We are in sellers territory, so that's nice. So I'll put it here. Nikkei, I can really put it away. SP, so it's pulling back. We have to see if it's pulling back to this indication. This is a very strong indication, is on daily. And therefore it can bounce on here and go higher. GBP CAD still inside of consolidation. NAS the same. NAS, we're right there. So NAS, we have this situation here. So NAS is right now pulling back and maybe gives an entry to go higher. So NAS is nice. So we put it here and SP500 also. US 30 couldn't make a higher high. There. Couldn't make it. So what I'm noticing is that maybe it wants to go down because it made a higher high and then a higher low. Lower high, lower low, and this high is lower than this one. So maybe it's already going down. Yeah, this could have been already the entry, but it was so, but we can wait for price to come back to the here. Pardon. US 30. We can wait for price to come back to this line. Why? Because when I go on 15 minutes, I see that the trend has started. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This is the natural point where to wait to go lower. Even if, well, yesterday was really pretty bullish, but it didn't break the previous high. So let's see. It can be as bullish as we want, but if it's not breaking anything, it's useless. The FTSE, well, daily we knew it was bullish, and now it reacted here. We don't have a new indication because this is a candle that even if it's the other color is going up. So I don't see actually a break of structure there. I could see it here on 1 hour. But yeah, it's like 1 p.m. now, so don't see it. I don't see FTSE going anywhere. GBP, JPY is consolidating, CAD JPY consolidating. This is confusing because confusing. We don't know the direction. There's no indication because look, high, low, lower high, higher low. And now this is What, another high low? Well, this has to close, but the fact that this candle broke there. You see, when it wants to create a higher high, it closes above the previous high. So let's see. Let's see, even here, closed above. So let's see. GPUD. Oh, there was a trade this morning. That was nice. That was really nice. Euro AUD consolidating. Oil, it's in this range, so it has to break and wipe out everyone and then come back. Euro USD is making a, like, we have to wait for two, so there's nothing for NFP because we don't have an indication yet. This candle with NFP can go right back into, so we don't know. We don't know. Well, this is nice, but still we want to see that it stays, and taking the trade would be trading the indication, trading a breakout. So it's a no. You want a candle that already broke above. That's our indication. No breakouts. This, for example, this is nice. This is an indication. However, since GU is inside of a consolidation, and this was a break of structure, so we know that above this point, price is buying. You see, above this point was buying, below is selling, buying, below is selling, and then buying again, and below selling. So now we're above. I think we can count it as an indication and see if it gives an entry. So yeah, we have to go on 15 minutes, but on 15 minutes, this is pretty aggressive and it's not the news yet. You see there's no higher high, there's nothing. This is a candle that is just a candle. What we're seeing is the 15-minute trend going up. And again, this was a full swing because again, you have only sporadic candles. So this could be the pullback. So if this is so, you have to look for price breaking above. This is the indication of the 15-minute. And then expect a reaction there because on 5, you see, is a proper level. But let's see. Anyway, don't trade before the news and don't trade the moment of the news. You have to let like 5-15 minutes for the news to play out and then do. Okay, so now Bitcoin broke above here, so that's an indication, but it's coming below, so it has to come back up, and it looks like it's doing. So the moment it comes back up, then it's interesting. So this is interesting because it created a low, a lower high, failed to create a lower low. So now if it closes above the lower high, 15 minutes and indication, that's your entry. Right? Natural gas is consolidating. You can see it. You see, it just can't break this one. Now it's heading for this low, and we'll see if it breaks it. But in the meantime, don't do anything because we don't have an indication. EUR/JPY still no indication. It's between here and here. We don't have and you see that we don't know who's in control because we had a buy and then we didn't have a buy, but price was going up. Was the buyers pushed up, the sellers pushed down, the buyers push up. What's going to happen here? We don't know. Leave it. Australian JPY, I need to look at this chart. Okay, so we're above this daily high. And this is nice to go up, but up until where? Like until here. It's literally 50 points, 50 pips, leave it. USD CAD consolidating. Why? Because we had this indication and now it's pushing back down. And we were consolidating. We were pulling back. So this is a daily chart. So swing high daily, pull back daily, swing high daily, pull back daily. Now we're reacting to this structure pullback it made, and this was failing to make a high, but again we are on a strong level. You see this, we're on this strong level above it buys. So here is selling, could be selling till there, but then from here stop, because it's buying every time it comes. So for now I don't see anything, and USD JPY is still in this consolidation, so leave it, because even on 4 hour you don't have an indication. You see, wicked. Right, so let's see. Gold is still there, this one's still there, nothing yet. Well, let's see. See you later. Be careful.